Like a radiant algae bloom over the dark ocean depths, Bloom Energy brings brightness in an uncertain time for the market. Financially, the quarter was strong across the board. Bloom posted EPS of 45 cents, a 50% beat versus expectations, while revenue reached $777.7 million, up 35.9% year-over-year and more than 20% above forecasts. Full-year revenue hit a record $2 billion, up 37%, and adjusted EBITDA reached $271.6 million. Gross margin held near the low 30% range, with 31.9% in Q4, and the company marked its second consecutive year of positive operating cash flow, a key differentiator within the fuel cell sector. These results, along with good guidance and backlog strength, are contributing to counteracting the effects of the recent broader market sell-off to some degree. Bloom guided 2026 revenue of $3.1 to $3.3 billion, implying another year of rapid growth, alongside operating income of $425 to $475 million and expected operating cash flow near $200 million. Management emphasized that, quote, "bring your own power" has shifted from a backup option to a strategic necessity, especially for AI hyperscalers and manufacturers facing grid constraints. Supporting that view, Bloom's product backlog expanded sharply, with current backlog around $20 billion, signaling durable multi-year demand. The company also highlighted progress on cost reduction, manufacturing scale-up, and its 800 volts DC-ready product platform, which is increasingly aligned with AI data center requirements. Optimism also comes from American Electric Power, AEP, which made a $2.65 billion agreement to purchase solid oxide fuel cells from Bloom. The fuel cells will be used to develop a power generation facility near Cheyenne, Wyoming, marking a major expansion of the partnership between the two companies. AEP originally agreed in November 2024 to buy 100 megawatts of Bloom's fuel cells, with an option to purchase up to an additional 900 megawatts. The new deal exercises a large share of that option. AEP also disclosed it has secured a 20-year offtake agreement with an unnamed high-investment-grade customer for 100% of the facility's output. The agreement is subject to conditions AEP expects to be met by the second quarter of 2026. If not, the utility will be compensated for all capital and development costs. In October, Brookfield Asset Management and Bloom Energy began a $5 billion partnership to develop next-generation AI infrastructure, with Bloom serving as the preferred on-site power provider for Brookfield's global AI data centers, referred to as AI factories. Under the agreement, Brookfield will invest up to $5 billion to deploy Bloom Energy's fuel cell technology, which provides reliable, scalable, and rapidly deployable on-site power for energy-intensive AI data centers. The partnership is designed to address growing constraints on traditional power grids, as AI computing requires massive electricity capacity, fast deployment timelines, and real-time load responsiveness. The companies plan to jointly design and deliver AI facilities worldwide. Industry projections cited by the companies estimate that U.S. AI data center power demand could exceed 100 gigawatts by 2035, resulting in the need for alternative power options. Brookfield executives emphasized the importance of behind-the-meter power to bridge the widening gap between grid capacity and AI energy needs. The partnership builds on Bloom already deploying hundreds of megawatts of fuel cell capacity to data centers through partnerships with Equinix and Oracle. Now, if you're energized about the Bloom boom, please like and share this video with your AI amigos and power pals on places like Reddit, X, Telegram, StockTwits, and your own group chats. Sharing and liking the video also helps informative videos like this come out faster to people like you who will enjoy them. And as always, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.